Just a little update on the Suzuki. It's a Rm250. It's 96. So here's the frame. I think it came out great. Working on that pipe, cleaning up the rust and all that, polishing in it. And then I'm working on these gears. I just put the case back on, the gasket. Got to put that Kickstarter gear in, the clutch, power valve, and the water pump gear, and then where is it? Right here, the flywheel. Then we got that clutch cover. I did the reeds on it. They were cracked before, but they're brand new. Got a new piston over there, new spark plug for it. Here's all the basic stuff for it. I was just packing that muffler. May have to get a new fork seal. And then I got the all new gaskets for everything. Complete gasket set. The crank, water pump, power valve, idler back there, Kickstarter gear. So I'm just gonna clean this off, wipe it down, scrape it up, and put that gasket on there. And then this side is good to go. So I got the clutch cover here. It's all cleaned out. It's very clean, no cracks or anything. Just gonna put that gasket around there, seal the case, and should be good. Alright, just put that clutch cover back on and that new gasket. And I had to put an extra bolt in here. I just found an extra one that fit perfect. So the last thing I just tested was to see if the Kickstarter mechanism was working good. And as you can see, it springs back up and it's moving the crank. So that's good. So yeah, that's pretty much it.